What else do we have here?
That's stem. That's another shockwave. So shockwave, we're gonna turn it real low because the wrist, right? Which wrist?
Like here.
Let me know when I get to the area where it's sensitive. Where at? Anywhere?
That is sensitive? Back down.
Right there?
Lower. Ooh, that was one. Right there.
Is that too much?
Nah.
How about now?
Ooh, right there.
Okay.
Woo!
Too much?
Just on that one spot.
That one spot? Turn it down a little. How's that? Still there? I'm gonna turn it down some more.
I don't feel it.
So this is the spot right here.
Right there, yeah.
Turn it down again. Better?
Yeah.
But still, very tender over there, right? What'd you do?
Adjusting.
Still jumping.
It's like a reflex.
It's the bone. When it go over bone, it's like a lot more tender. Yeah, every time. Jumping.
I can't even help it.
No, you can't. That's enough. Want to do the other wrist?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Same spot or no?
Yeah, about. What about trigger finger? Would it help with trigger finger?
Trigger finger. What you got trigger? You be shooting people?
No.
What you be doing?
I don't do anything.
Boy, you be lying. That's what you be doing. I know that. Not good though. Cameraman got to deal with a lot of lies.
Why is that one worse?
That's
All right.
enough. All right, cool. So then just let me know how that feels. You'll know this difference
How
about
long will
tomorrow.
it take?
You'll know by tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Either you feel nothing, but I guess if you're not working, you're not gonna really know.
No.
So, but you do need it
But
consistently.
it did, like, giving it a rest for a couple of days will help.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But how's it feel now? Moving around.
Feels fine now. Oh yeah, that's good. Cause it's just that. That's what's making it upset.
And it don't feel like that now?
No.
You also got to strengthen it too. I don't know if you do anything to strengthen it.
I haven't. I need to.
Yeah, so like you get like a rubber band, put it around, open it up. You know, like little things you put your fingers in, open it up. You got to do it on a consistent basis though.
Yeah.
So.
I'm gonna have to. I need longevity.
Yeah, but you about to retire.
I ain't making enough money yet.
Sell some crack. Just playing. Anyways, donate to Dr. Kay by sending money to Cash App, Dr. Randall Thompson, DCPA. And we'll make sure it gets to her every cent because we are an honest organization, a non-profit, for profit.
Or you can just come look at me if you're in Atlanta, because I know all of y'all not in Miami. So, yeah.
All right.